take a picture of two of you here, of course.
Yeah.